I hope. So after that, guys, you have copied that path from here, and you just need to come this PC, right click, properties. After that properties, you will click on properties. This pop-up window will open. You just need to click on advanced system settings, and after clicking on advanced system settings, you need to go on environment variables. When you click on environment, another pop-up will open, and when this pop-up will open, you just need to click on this new. Don't click on this first new, click on this second new, and type path. When you will type path, and after that variable value, in variable value column, you need to paste the path that you copied and click on OK. Because I have already set up the path, I will not do the, click on OK. I will cancel this. So guys, I hope that you all have completed this so guys, I know that this is a very tedious task to do, so don't worry about anything. I have created a video for you guys YouTube, in YouTube today only. So this is the link. You can know from there how to download JDK, how to set up the JDK path in your machine. So any software you download related to coding, you need to set up that path. So in Java, this was the process. So it's not possible to explaining each and everybody this thing. So please refer that link that I have shared, but I will wait for 5 more minutes. Please guys, keep commenting that you have installed. At least I should get some idea somebody has installed and set up the path and these things. Balaji, Balaji, why you shared your screen? Uh, Please stop sharing, otherwise I have to cancel you. I have to. Balaji, you please stop sharing. By okay, that's not okay. That's okay, but please, guys, be alert. Don't do this. Guys, please comment that you have installed and set up the Java path. I am waiting for your response. Guys, I am waiting for your comments. Done. Pooja Singh. Okay. Vijaya, Kiran Kumar, Shahana, Abira, done. Okay. Thank you, guys. After that, I will let you know how to install Eclipse in your machine. So please comment how many people have already installed Eclipse on their machines. Guys, don't worry. I will be taking care of each and everybody at the time of the coding. But as I already shared, that everybody should have basic knowledge about Java. So I hope if you have not gone through with and every automation thing, so please go through with Java and Eclipse. So now it's turn to install the Eclipse. So guys, this is the link that I am sharing to you. This file I will share on Google Classroom, so make sure that okay, I will tell you later on. So how to join Google Classroom. Don't worry guys, I will be sharing all the concepts. I have already shared over email. I have already done everything from my side. My best possible I will try to give you, and I will make sure that if 100 people are attending this webinar, then at least 90 will be able to automate the things. So I will not be restricted to time, that if I will giving some lectures, then I will leave give for only 1 hour. Until the last guy will not be able to code, I will keep doing that. Okay guys, so I have shared the, just click on this link, and this will be redirecting you to, and click here and download. When you will click here in download, then guys it will install in your machine, and after it installs in your machine, you just need to run that. Sir, till which are the concept we should go through? Don't worry Shahana, these questions you can ask in Google forum as well. Today's session only for these things that I am sharing on Notepad 5. So download JDK, so that when I will be coding, everyone not should will not be waiting. Okay, so you can download later on as well. Most important thing guys, download Selenium jars, because Java is not Selenium is basically third party which automate the things. Suppose in manual testing, what you guys normally do, if there is a form, you just fill that form and hit on enter, and you check on database that the data is stored on database. This is the first test case. Second test case is that data is stored correctly, whatever you provided the information, that is installed only, nothing else, spaces, semicolons. So Nisha is asking, why do we create a path? We create a path. Okay Nisha, you can ask this question later on, because this is a very basic question. I will reply you. Keep drop an email to me, I will reply on that. Okay, okay, I will be sharing that path. This is the path. Don't be in hurry guys, because everyone, I have been waiting for everyone. This is the path that I have shared. This is the official site of Selenium. Don't download from anywhere else. Grace, just need to download Eclipse on your machine from link. What to click after clicking Eclipse link? Grace, you can unmute yourself. I can't get your question, what you actually want to ask. Please unmute yourself. Okay, I'll be waiting for Grace response. Grace, Okay, so after clicking on this link, and now you need to come down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So guys, here the latest version of Selenium is 4.0. So Selenium 4.0 has introduced some new concepts, so you need to download latest version of the Selenium. And because I have been giving lectures in Java language with Selenium, so you need to download Selenium with Java jars. So 4.0 alpha 6 is the latest version of the Selenium, and now you need to download from here. When you click in this alpha download, these jars will be downloaded. You just need to go in where these jars downloaded, copy, copy, and now you can make a folder. I normally make a folder because I don't want to mess up the things in folders. Selenium jars, and paste your jars here, right click and extract the jars. So I'll extract here. Guys, when you will be extracting, these jars will be downloaded. Okay, otherwise I will be sharing Selenium jars from my side as well, because these are too much. We are not going through with these too much jars. I already have in my machine, so I will be sharing in Google Drive to with you all guys, because I know that some persons will click on wrong download wrong jars, so I don't want to you guys to do that. And guys, have you downloaded jars in your machine? Please keep commenting. Yeah, okay, download in your machines. I am waiting for each and everyone to join. Okay, okay guys, let's wait 2 more minutes. Okay, one more thing guys, these alpha download you have already downloaded, and let's download in this click on this link as well and download those jars as well. One by one we will need in future, so that's why I have asked you to join download these alpha jars, but please download these jars as well. So these are the stable jars, so download these jars, click on this download link, and after that jars will be downloaded. Okay, Guys, download these jars as well. Are you downloading those jars as well as I referred second time? Let's keep commenting, keep commenting, keep commenting. I'm waiting for your response, guys. Link I have already shared to you. Just go to this link, and when you will go to this link, okay, so these download link, this is the download link. You have to click here. Alpha jars are the important jars. Will uh, from tomorrow we don't need alpha jars. From tomorrow we'll need to 6 or 7 jars, and that we will get from here. Click on this download link, then this Java 3.14 will be Selenium jars will be downloaded, and you need to add jars in your Eclipse library. So this download is link is more important than this alpha download. So download that those alpha download link. Download from that download link. Okay, I hope that you all guys have done whatever I have suggested. Now it's time to make our first program in Selenium. Before that, we need to download Firefox driver. Guys, that's why this session is dedicated to set up your environment for the coding. So Selenium has more of prerequisites, so you need to set up your system today only. From tomorrow we will be coding. These type of question, why do we need click alpha download and download both? So these type of questions will be taken when I will be giving training in Selenium. So today's agenda is only for keep you ready with your systems. So guys, now I will start my Eclipse. Double click on your Eclipse and your Eclipse will be start. Before that, one more thing left, guys, most important thing, download Firefox driver, because I will be scripting on Firefox browser. So question arises, why I will not be doing with Google Chrome browser. This problem I have faced in my coding time as well, because Google Chrome allows only previous versions to redirect to the driver. Google Chrome, so I need to back off my version of the Google Chrome. That's why I don't prefer Google Chrome. So one line code is changed and your browser will be changed, nothing to worry. So okay, yeah, GECO driver, बिल्कुल, that's right. So before that, just make sure you have Firefox browser in your machine as well. Without Firefox browser, Firefox driver will not be working. Okay guys, driver. Click on this link. And download for Windows 64-bit. So I have already downloaded. When we will click on that, this will be downloaded in your machine. So I will cancel this. Okay guys, and make sure that you already have Firefox browser in your machine. Okay, now let me make first program for you, new, and make sure you make a Java project, Java project. Selenium first. And finish. Okay guys, I hope you are in the same page. Now right click and make a package. First, you can give any name. I am giving first, and I will again giving first, and check on this public static void main. Guys, okay, I will be sharing the link, don't worry. Releases, and this is the link for GSEQ driver. Guys, I will be waiting for 30 seconds for your response. Keep responding. Okay, one by one I will take the questions. So okay Sana, I will be waiting for 30 more seconds. What you have done after creating a package? So I have made a class Pratik. Okay, after that guys, you just need to code what I am doing here. I'll be sharing this code in GitHub, and let me share you the GitHub path. This is the my GitHub URL where I will be sharing all the codes that I will be giving you in lectures. During my lectures, whatever code I will be doing will be shared on this GitHub URL. So let me copy here because I will be sharing this file with you on Google Classroom. So after this first attempt of the coding, I will be letting you know how to join the Google Classroom sessions. GitHub URL to get all codes. Okay guys, so let me paste over here as well. And one more thing guys, you can follow me on LinkedIn. The best ever response you can get, and instant response you can get on me from me in LinkedIn. So follow me on in LinkedIn. I will be sharing my LinkedIn URL. Anytime you can reach out to me and ask your queries. If I'll having the free time, I will be helping you out. LinkedIn. Don't worry guys, and don't hesitate for anything. You all will be coding at the same pace. This is my professional URL that I will not be sharing. So I will be sharing you my personal profile. Anything you want to ask related to coding, related to your career, related to anything, you can ask your question direct to me over LinkedIn. I am very simply reach out to LinkedIn, but if you will be asking question over WhatsApp, Facebook, so it will not be good for me as well, and for you as well. So follow me on LinkedIn. After that guys, I hope that you already have installed in your machines. Let me take your questions. We have to sign up in your GitHub to download or see your code. No, Pratik, you don't have to do anything over GitHub, and you can't do anything over that. If you want to push your code on GitHub, you want to share your code on GitHub, then you need to sign up. If you want to just download and import that project in your machines, you don't need to do anything. Let me show you guys. Good question, Pratik. So I will be redirecting to GitHub. Guys, I have shared my LinkedIn profile, so please follow me so that you will be easily reachable to me. And after that, Pratik, watch carefully, and guys, you all guys, please watch carefully how to download code from GitHub. Suppose I will be sharing this folder. Suppose today I am Selenium first. If I will be sharing this Selenium first folder, then name will be Selenium first. Don't worry about anything. So this link that I have shared to you, I have created a Selenium framework. If you want to download that framework, you just need to go to this link, click on this link. You need to clone. And there are two methods. When I will be giving lectures on GitHub, then I will be telling you, but simply if you want to download this code, click here and download zip, extract that zip and import in your project. So tomorrow I will be sharing you how to import the project in your machines, but today's agenda is only that you guys all should be ready with your machines, and I will be taking second question. Please send me LinkedIn link. So this is the link, Mithun, this is the link that I have shared of the LinkedIn profile. How Chandan Kumar asked the question, for Java developer or enterprise Java developer, you just need to go with Java version, don't need to go with enterprise version. And what is the difference? So these type of questions you can search on Google as well. Guys, if I will be sharing these things over here, then our agenda will never complete. Sorry for that, Chandan. You can ask me personally, I will reply you. Okay guys, so I hope that you all are aware of how to download code from GitHub. So please response if you are aware how to download code from GitHub. Guys, keep responding because more than 50 people have joined this meeting. So one by one, if I will get response, it will be better for me. Okay. And please, whosoever had done these things, please help on WhatsApp to each and everybody, so that everyone can join, because today you can miss these sessions, but from tomorrow if you will be missing 10 minutes, then you will not be able to understand how the things are working. Okay, so just need to go on Eclipse, back to Eclipse, and no, first you have to import those jars. Okay guys, so you have downloaded the Selenium jars, now you need to import those jars. So how to import those jars in your project folder? So suppose you can have multiple projects in this machine, in this Eclipse profile, but for each and every project you have to import and include the libraries of the Selenium. Guys, please share WhatsApp link to Mithun and Suresh. So you just need to right click on it. I am going to import the jars, so you just need to right click on the Selenium first project, and when you click on right click on this project, you just need to go properties, click on this properties. What I have done, right click on this Selenium first and go to properties. Okay, so this pop-up window will be open, and once this pop-up window will open, you just need to click on this Java build path. Okay guys, so have you did this? You just need to click on this Java build path, and after that this pop-up will be open. You need to click on this libraries, so after you will clicking on libraries, here you will see add external jars. Click on this add external jars, and the jars where you have downloaded, extracted, you need to import those jars. So I have selenium jars, sorry, these are the extra jars, selenium related stuff. These two, let me check where I have. Okay, so jars. Okay guys, so the folder which you have downloaded second time, I have here. These two jars, you just need to click. Oh, sorry, you need to click here, open, and just need to go back libraries and import these 6 jars. These 6 jars should be added in your machine, in your Eclipse environment. Now I know that you will be facing problems, so my question is to you guys, that have you imported those jars? Okay, so these 6 jars, make sure these 6 jars should be downloaded in your machine. I'm not able to paste a screenshot over here. So these 6 jars should be downloaded in your machine. Guys, now I will give you chance one by one to ask your question. Unmute yourself and ask your questions. So whosoever want to ask, first comment, then I will be asking who will ask the questions. So this first session is about keep ready your system for coding. Guys, please ask your please confirm if you have done these things. Okay, so click on apply, and now system dot guys, I am starting coding. I will be making first program, so you just need to do what I am doing here. So everyone should be in the same pace. Don't worry about anything. I will be not explaining anything today. From tomorrow onwards, I will be explaining each and every line of code. But today I want to make sure if you will make first program and that will be running in your machine, then it means that your system is ready to code from tomorrow in Selenium. But if you will be getting error, then something is missing and you need to take care of that, and you will be searching on Google, asking to me, asking to Sumit, anybody you can ask, and from tomorrow onwards you need to start coding. Today I am little bit faster, but from tomorrow I will be very slow, so that everyone can catch up what I want to explain. So type system, don't ask that what this system dot set property means. I will be explaining these things from tomorrow. Dot set, so my system is hanging out. Let this code be informed in method. System dot set property WebDriver dot GECKO. paste the path where you have your driver. I'll be copying path. Where is my Firefox driver? So yeah, I know Mithun that today I am too fast, but from tomorrow onwards, so today I want to make sure that everyone system has to be ready for coding. So that's why I am a little faster today, but from tomorrow I will be waiting each and everyone for that code. I am waiting for you guys. Please keep responding that you have done, that I have done. Guys, have you done that code? Guys, please keep responding, and after that you just need to make the WebDriver class. Firefox driver, and after that you need to hover here and import. When you will be keeping your mouse over this WebDriver class, then it will suggest you to import the jar, import the package. So you just need to import. And one more thing, if you don't want to do like this, then after typing this WebDriver, press Ctrl and Shift. It will automatically suggest you. So click on enter and this will be doing. So I will be sharing this code in chat box, so that if you have not done yet, you can copy and paste that code. Now I will be taking questions. New Eclipse is just installing slowly, so waiting for that. Don't worry Chandan, you can do later on. How can get GUSK or driver? So I have shared this link that Deepak did already shared. So Rupa, can we add one or more two versions like stable version and alpha version of Selenium jars in Eclipse library? Those 6 jars that I have imported, as of now you just need to import those jars. And don't worry about jars. When will be I will be teaching on Maven, I will be teaching Maven lectures. So Maven will take care of all the jars to download. You don't need to download any jars. So basically this is the core Selenium that I am going lecturing on to you guys. But Maven will take care of all things. You don't need to do this. But as of now, for practice purpose, for kicking start, that's what one of the you guys said that I am too fast today. But don't worry about, from tomorrow onwards, which version of this Selenium we need to download those libraries, and I have shared the link, and I will be sharing this file as well. in this file, so you need to download from that. I already told you guys. So Rupa, you just need to go through with that, and guys, keep helping each other. And in WhatsApp group people are still joining, but I can see that only 44 people have left today. Maybe this happened because some people have already downloaded the software in their machines, but they should not leave the meeting because very important things are already left. How to join Google Classroom, taking questions, you can put your questions over there. So everything is left for today as well. So guys, have you done that code? Please comment so that I can move forward. Please comment guys, please. Yes, go ahead. Okay. Okay. So now uh, this is this system dot set property. Let me explain some little bit so that you can get an idea. So system dot set property class, what it does, it just uh, find the Firefox driver in your machine, and for finding that driver you need to give the path. So I have Firefox driver in this path, and after that Firefox driver extension version I have passed this path. So if you want to automate the things using Chrome browser, so you just need to do one thing, but don't do this because I know that you guys will have a latest version of the Chrome. You will be getting an error that you need to install previous version of the Chrome, so you will be facing problems. But Firefox driver normally don't come with these problems, so you will be come across this problem in Chrome driver. So don't do this. So but if you need to change one line, system dot set property, and here you will be typing webdriver dot chrome drive webdriver dot chrome dot driver. Please keep yourself on mute and pass the path where you have Chrome driver path. So
Vandan,
okay.
one question.
Okay.
So can you come up again with the Geeko driver installation process? So I just missed that. So
Who is this?
this at Chandan.
Okay. So Chandan, this is the link that Deepak Dude is shared, and I have
Can you,
also shared. Let me share again on chat box. And
okay. So,
after that, when we will be clicking here,
mhm.
so it will be redirecting you to this path,
Okay.
and just scroll down, and you need to download 64-bit version. If you have 64-bit version, you need to download 32-bit. Check on your machine. I have already told the process how to.
Yeah,
Okay.
that I did. It's 64-bit only.
Okay.
So do we need to go for Chrome upgradation? Sorry, Firefox upgradation also for this,
No,
or
no,
that's
no.
okay?
You don't need to do anything in Firefox. I will be sharing what problem occurs during this Chrome browser, but don't
Okay.
worry about Firefox browser. That's why I am telling with Firefox browser.
Okay.
Okay, you can
Better
unmute
for now.
yourself. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Go ahead.
So, this will be finding the Firefox driver in your machine in this path. If this will not be able to find, this will be giving error. Chandan, please mute yourself. There is lot of background noise.
Yeah. Sorry for that.
Okay. So after that, guys, this will be creating a driver class object, and driver dot get, and here you need to pass URL. So I will be copying any URL from here, GitHub releases, any URL I will be giving. So it will be coming here. I will be explaining these each of guys. If you are not getting any error, this means it's okay. because if Eclipse IDE is able to understand these type of classes of comes with Selenium jars. So these are not Java classes. So right click, run your project, run as Java application. Let's see if we face any problem. Machine is taking time because many of the background softwares are running in my machine. So the command prompt is doing their work, and now Firefox driver will open. Guys, don't worry about anything and keep helping each other. It's taking time. It's normally it doesn't take too much that much of time, but it's taking time because several background softwares are running in my machine. Selenium is not so slow, so you can see that several background things are running. Now it will open this URL. People wants to join, and when I go back to the screen, the pop-up went back. So that's the problem occurring during the guys, I think in your machines it has hit the browser. It should have hit the browser, but in my machine it's taking time. Normally it doesn't take too much time, but it Hridayas Kaushik, that means that you have not imported the jars correctly. You need to import correct jars. Still in my machine. Okay guys, already it has done its tasks because it opened the path, and this URL that I have passed, it's open on the GitHub URL. So you can cross verify this. This was the path that I have passed, and this is opened on Firefox driver. Let me run again for you. Right click, run Java application. Okay, I will be closing this. That will be opening a new. And this is what, and this is the directive to this URL that I have passed. So guys, if same thing is also happening in your machine, that means you have correctly installed all the jars in your machine, and you have done correct things. Your JDK path you have correctly configured, your jars is correctly imported, everything is good. Now so we are ready with the everything. I will repeat. We have downloaded Java 1.8 version, and if anybody has not configured the path, go to this URL. I have made a separate video to configure the JDK path, and this is the Eclipse IDE the download link, so you need to download Eclipse from here. I have downloaded the Selenium jars today. A lot of steps I have done today, and after that I have imported these Selenium jars into your Eclipse project, and I have shared the GitHub URL where you will be getting all the codes that I will be sharing you from tomorrow. And you have downloaded the Firefox browser and driver as well. So now I will be telling about Google Classroom. So guys, I have invited each and every one of you. So classroom.google.com. I'll be adding each one of you, and I'll be adding this file here, so if you can go through with that. So I have made a Google class. Can you use any live URL and which can continue till that and if possible? Sorry, I can't understand your question, Ashwini. You can unmute yourself and ask your question.
Actually, I asked, hello?
Ashwini,
Hello?
be louder.
Yes, sir. Hello? Hi.
Yeah, you
Yes,
are
sir.
not
I
audible.
asked, yeah, I asked one question related to, you can use any live URL. You can continue to till the end of training. Means, you can enter any, you use the GitHub URL. Means related to question, means you can use any URL just like a learn
Ashwini,
more.
there is a lot of background noise. I am not able to understand what you want to ask to me.
So I get that. I get that.
Which URL? Okay, Mithun, you can. Okay, so don't do these things. Don't ask these questions, guys. You can do these things in WhatsApp chat. So ask questions related to these things, and ensure me that your code is also running in this Eclipse IDE. So guys, comment that if you have already done. He is asking that can you use any live project URL throughout the training sessions? Guys, of course, this was just for this URL is just for making sure that your machine is ready to code from tomorrow. But let me share that Internet Heroku app for practicing this Selenium. Okay, Pooja, thank you. And Internet Heroku app. This is the one of the site, and second one is the Guru 99 Selenium practice. And here you will find a e-commerce site that you need, and in this Internet Heroku app, A/B testing, add or remove elements, basic auth. I will be telling each of these things. File upload, how to upload the file, each and everything. So don't worry that I will be doing these things. I will be explaining each and whatever you do in manual testing, you will be automating those things. So I will be sharing that site with you. So that is basically e-commerce site. So I will be sharing that link. You can practice from this, but you will not able to practice as of now because I have not done anything in Selenium as of now. Now it's time to Google know about Google Classroom. So in Google Classroom you will be getting the all alerts when next class will be going. So just need to when you will be opening your Google Classroom, you can go with this, and in this app you can click Classroom and this will be open. So I have separately created a classroom for you guys, Selenium free training batch, and in this batch I have added you. So these guys have accepted my request, Rupa, Shreyas, and some of these like Monica, Parth, these guys have not accepted. So you will be getting each and everything from here. One more thing, you can go to your calendar, and in your calendar if I have scheduled a class, then you can get that. Just like I have scheduled a class for tomorrow as well. So you when you will be checking your calendar, you will be getting link here.
How to accept that assignment related things? You have shown me now.
You don't need to do anything. Just need to check your calendar from the ID that you registered with.
Okay.
If I will be creating a class for tomorrow, you will be seeing in this calendar.
No. Before calendar, you have shown one thing, right? I'm asking regarding the classes. Yeah.
Classes.
Yeah. Exactly.
I can't get your question. Is this?
No, you have told me that some persons has been accepted something like that. You have told previously, right?
Yeah,
11 members has only accepted like that. How to accept that one?
I have sent an invitation to each and everyone. So check
Okay.
your emails.
Okay.
Maybe it went to spam folder. Otherwise, you can join this Google group as well. So more than 150 members are in this Google group. When I will be creating any topic, you will be getting an email. Likewise, you are getting as of now.
Yeah. Can you please share that link to join that group?
I have already invited each and everyone. Let me see. What's your email ID?
Eversmart Sriram at the rate Gmail.
One minute. Groups.
Can I ping my email ID?
Yeah.
Uh,
1 minute.
Vandan, I also didn't get the invitation actually.
1 minute, guys. Uh, it won't happen that not getting invite. Let me check. I have sent to each and everyone whosoever have registered with. I will show you. So Selenium free training. Now manage members. Outstanding request. So now you can ping email ID. Who was asking question first? Ever Sriram. Okay. Ever Sriram. So these people have not accepted the all the members who has accepted. Maybe the email went to your spam folder, so keep checking that folder. Once you That's why I have not shared that code, but let me share this for you.
Okay.
This is the Google Classroom code. I will be sharing in WhatsApp as well, but you can copy from here.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
So guys, please copy this. Let me share in this file. I will be sharing this code in this file in WhatsApp group. Okay, so it's good from my side, guys. Thank you for attending this webinar. From tomorrow we will be start coding in our platforms. Whatever you have installed, Eclipse, IntelliJ, NetBeans, whatever IDE you have installed, but code will be in Java. I will be selling this for real. WhatsApp group. What's this? Okay, thank you guys. So whatever you query you want to ask, you can separately mail to me in college2industry @gmail.com. Note this, separately mail to me. Follow me on LinkedIn. GitHub URL is already there. WhatsApp group you have already joined. Google Classroom code already shared. You are in Google group. There are lot of platforms where you can reach out to me. So guys, tomorrow's session timing will be the same, and rest of the question you can ask in the Google group. So that's good from my side. Thanks for being with me today, and thanks for attending this webinar. We will be having a very good experience of coding, guys. You can leave. If anybody wants to ask any more questions, you can put your question on WhatsApp group. Thank you guys, thank you. Sure.